Hey my peeps, let's make some Valentine Linzer cookies. So I'm going to roll out some cookie dough colored clay, air dry foam clay. And I'm going to use a scalloped cookie cutter. And I'm going to cut out 2 pieces. Now you don't have to use a scalloped cutter. You could just use a round cutter if that's what you have. It's perfectly fine. So I'm going to cut out a little mini heart out the center of one of my cookies. Put that to the side, and I'm going to roll out some red clay to put in the center of my cookie. So I'm going to use the scalloped edge cookie cutter again. And now I'm going to line those up. I'm going to take my time and try to line them up as good as I can. It's kind of tricky with the scalloped edge, but take your time and it'll all line up, okay? As you can see here, I'm just really trying to line them up. Take your time, and then when you're done, everything's going to look nice and lined up, okay? So now I want the center of the cookie to look like jelly, like shiny and stuff. So if you want, you could use UV resin, but I'm going to use glossy accents because I know some people don't like using UV resin or they're scared to use UV resin. Glossy accent is a high gloss, it gives it like a high gloss shine that looks like resin but it's not resin. So it's like a glue. You just got to put it on there and then let it dry, okay? So I'm just going to I only put a little bit on there, and I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to go around that red part in the middle of the cookie just to also give it a little shine, a glossy shine. So it looks like jam. Now take your time and go around the cookie. Try not to get it on the cookie dough part, just get it on the red part. I'm using a really thin brush here. And let me tell you, when you finish with your brush, make sure you wash it right away. If not, it's going to get ruined because, like I said, this is like a glue. So now I'm just going to put a little extra in the middle because I feel like I just wanted to have a little more shine, and I wanted it to be a little more filled up. But you don't have to do that. That's just what I wanted to do. Just the shine is fine. Now you got to let this dry overnight, okay? So there, I had one that's dried overnight. As you can see, it's nice and shiny. It looks like resin, but it's not resin. So now I'm going to do some shading, and I'm going to use some chalk pastels. I've had these chalk pastels for a very long time. I know it looks like makeup, but it is really chalk pastels. You could use, if you have a makeup palette, you could use that too. You can get chalk pastels on Amazon. So I'm using like the light brown color that's in my set, and I'm going around the edge first. But now I'm going to color on top of the cookie and give it some shading so it looks like it was baked. So just take your time and go around. You don't need to put a lot of shading on your cookie. A very light shading will work just fine. Then I took a little bit of a darker shade and I just went around the edge. But that's it. See how it changes the color of your cookie? From a white cookie to a baked cookie. So now, you can put, I'm going to use paint for this, but Play Code 3, they have fake sugars. They have a coarse sugar, a fine sugar, and they even have a powdered sugar. But I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use white paint because I know that everybody don't have access to those fake sugars. So I'm going to just use white paint and get me one of these, what do you call these brushes? Stencil brush. I knew it would come to me. And very, very lightly, I'm going to hit it in that white paint. And then I'm just going to dab it onto my cookie to make it look like it's powdered sugar, okay? But if you want, I'm going to leave the link and all the information that if you want to get those powdered sugars below. But there you go. And there go your cookie. See, I made a round one without a scalloped edge. And then I made the scalloped edge one. See how you can see the shine in the cookie. and the powdered sugar look. Like, if you don't want to do that, then you can get the fake sugars, but I just wanted to make it so that everyone could be able to make this. Okay, talk to you later.